Hello guys, today I will share one of the very powerful tool for education or training purpose, or maybe you want to study self or anything. You just upload page or image and can learn from the browser. That's good product. Okay, let's say we want to learn the SIG protocol. Here we got the SIG protocol architecture here and upload ready as the example here. Okay, you can see the full picture here, but I want to know what is the UAC. I just click. That's all the UAC. I think the background is some server tasks running in the background already. So you can read another new slide for the lecture. You know, and I can 1 minute, maybe less 2 minutes. I think will come out already. Here already. Studying or do some deeper research is very yes come up with UAC. What's the concept here already? You've got some very basic concept, but I think enough. The information is very sufficient already. Then you want to, for example, you want to know what's about the invite. So just click the invite. I think the AI will make deeper research and analyze all kind of the SIG protocol and come out some basic, very basic, or some deeper syntax here. I think the picture is clear, not clear yet. Yes, come on already. So can see. And what's the invite request structure? Invite line, wow, from, contact type, call ID, method, invite, and all kind of the things here already. Very perfect. If you want to back, then also can click back. If you want to maybe make research on TLS, what's the basic about the TLS? So you still can clear it. I think later you stay maybe few minutes and come up the what's the TLS or basic concept here. At least give you basic, very basic concept already. So if you use the maybe use other material you put in an image, yes, very perfect. Okay, here got the basic things correct. Port number is correct, and the TLS, handshake, certification exchange, and so on. So very nice. You want to learn more, you can upload the picture here. You want to clean, just clean it. That's all. I think the flipbook is quite good browser already. So it's AI based and very smart for education, for training staff.